Hello friends, welcome back to the method trading. So I have made a position in this Nifty bearish trade I have taken here. Looking at the scenario that market was sideways from the last 2 days, and today I'm expecting bit momentum in the market. Let's see, and we can see that market is walking in the downside. So we are walking with a trend here, and so let's see how this behave. If it is goes well, of course that will be really brilliant for us. So let's see how this market is behaving here, and this is very much important because last from so many days we have booked a loss. We need to remember that things. So before getting aggressive, you need to protect your capital, and it was this strategy was not successful from the last so many days. So I'm expecting momentum in the market. Let's see how this behave and all. So will market perform? I mean, so each one is equal to one risk reward ratio we have achieved almost in 1500 profit. So would like to extend my profit today, because market looks good to me. Let's see how it's react to this. I mean, because downside, if you'll see, there is a no means. I mean, it's below. I mean, below 500. If it is goes, there will be a strong momentum in the market, and let's see how this. I mean, behaving today. If you watch, I mean, if you have observed that yesterday USA market was, I mean, strongly bearish, so we're expecting also bearish momentum in the India market. Let's see how this, I mean, behave here. So So you can see this momentum is continue in the downside, and let's see how this market behave. I mean, nothing permanent in the market. You have to, or I mean, one have to remember this, and also like, so we can see here slightly market is try to take support from this. I mean, 507 mark. So will market take support from here? So this will be, so fires have some issue. I think price is not getting updated here, and that's the problem with all this brokerage firm. And that's also one thing that it shows that how difficult to trade, because even if you are right, the other issues might give you an some issue with this. So you can see here fires is still not responding properly, so I would like to refresh it and let it. We can see the big bull is coming on this screen, and what big bull says is that is completely right. So I'm expecting market is bearish today, and we saw the big bull on the screen. So I don't know what's going on here. It's again okay. So finally we have issue with the fires was like, even still you can see this Nifty chart is not updating, and yes, it's started updating. Okay, so we are in now safe hand, and so we'll wait for the target. We'll wait for. So market is at critical stage, and it is if it is break the 500 mark here, so we can see more fall in the market. Otherwise, it may take short recovery from here. So we have to be careful at this point of. Let's see how market is behaving here. So Hires is not working, well today. Price is not getting updated properly. And it's difficult for the retail traders if price will not get updated on time. So we are at this. Let's see if this happen. We can see. Sharp momentum in the market. No doubt about it. If it is broken down, let's see how market behave here. We can see this sharp recovery from here, and so we will face some volatility here. Because we know that there will be, there will be fight between the bull and bears. So those who are expecting that market will not break this point, they are very aggressive. Strong here, and also it's like 500 mark is very strong psychological level. So we can see here again market try to. There is some issue with this fire look like. This is a very good, for the momentum, if market is working in a particular zone and it's start this, rarely, downside after this. So it means that, I mean, those sellers are collecting over here, and after that, there will be a strong sharp selling too. So this area will be very much important. If it is favors the bears, if it is favors the bulls, then again there will be risky because it will start recovery here. Let's see how this behave here. I mean, so let's say again it's I mean look like it may take support over here. So it will be a difficult for our target. Let's see how this behaves here. I don't have any. We'll wait for. Again there is a issue with the fires. I don't know what to do with the fires. I will complain today. What is this? So we can see that market have broken the 500 level, and after this, whenever market break this, important levels, it takes sharp recovery from there. So if it is not happening, we can see another momentum in the downside in the market. Otherwise, it will take sharp recovery from here. So let's see. The 9490 mark is very much important. If market goes below than that, so we'll have some momentum in the downside. Otherwise, it may take recovery from here also. So this is a trade we are. Never in a positions to predict a very good. Positions are trend here because again there will be lots of issues, lots of points to consider. So and at every point you are going to lose your capital. So why it is risky? You can understand that. I mean barriers are like unlimited, and we have to we have to simply identify and calculate the expected, I mean, risk of the barriers in the market. And we can see that, as I said, that it can take sharp recovery from there. So market have taken, I mean, support from the 498, and it's now at the stage of the 504. So if the candle close above this 500, so it will be considered that market is taking support from there. If the candle do not close, means market is not taking support from the 500. So this is the point. We will consider it for confirmations, and also will consider it for exit our trades. So let's see, we will wait for here, I mean. So nothing to worry about it. Let's see how this behave. Again, we can see that market is broken that level, but will that support work again here from there last time? Again, we can see that it's tried to take support. No, it has broken the, I mean, the lowest level of this candle. Let's see how this we have. Okay, again we can see this. There is a volatility, friends. So if you are safe traders, will always, I mean, exit at this point, because there will be volatility. Another 10 point is very much risky in this market. So for another 10 point you have to risk your 10 to 15 points in the market. So the risk reward ratio is more equal to 1. I mean, you have to sacrifice 1.5 for 1 point. So this is what. But what the market momentum today is suggesting, that there is a downside momentum which looks very strong to me. That's why I'm here holding this trade. But for the safe traders, this is the exit point, right? Without thinking, you should exit the trade and take your profit to home, right? For those who are risky, I mean, they can take some risk over their capitals. They can stay here, and you can see here again market. I mean, if you see this, friend, body of this candle, you can see here there is a higher wick than the body of the candle. So this shows that there is a volatility in the market. This shows completely there is a volatility in the market. Let's see if we are here. I mean, I'm expecting momentum here. Let's see again look like fire is not working, and what to do with the fires. It's risky. I mean, if you see this, how the bank nifty is working here, you can see this. I mean, bank nifty is okay. The way market is behaving there, it shows that it is taking support from there, right? So if it is taking support from there, again this is going to be the challenging, I mean, let's say. So if this premium is above 90, so this is the safe. Below 90, this is a risky, right? So this is what it is. And if it is above 90, I don't have issue with this. If it is below 90, I will consider it as a exit trade. Let's see, we can see that again market is successfully broken that point. Not only broken, but also we can see that if this candle body is, I mean, if this candle formed bearish, so we can, okay, so again it is below 90. I mean, there is some fishy friend. So better to consider exit over here because any side momentum can take place sharply. So if you are, I mean, what to do, lots of confusion. But also we can see that volume is also decreasing over here, and because this is very much a strong point, I would like to consider exit in this trade because it's giving me sense of reversal, and it is going on the same page. Almost 15 point, more than 15 point I have made in this. Okay, so I mean you can see here that market is try to, I mean bearish here. I mean taking reversal over here, and let's see how this, I mean, behave here. We will wait for, I mean, we can see that almost 10 point down from top of the level. I don't know what happened fast today. I mean, why it is working so bad? Seriously, this is not fair. We can see here that again it is try to take support over here, and let's see. I mean, another 10 point is very risky here. If it is goes above 90 again, So it shows the strength in this momentum. If it is don't goes this time, so you have to consider exit over here. So I mean, I don't know what to do. Again, market is in a very delicate zone. Should we consider exit or not? I mean, so if it is not going above 90 mark, means there is a weakness in this, and you can see here, friends, there is a I mean additional buying happened in this. So I mean nothing to worry as per this volume source. But as this is a I mean very difficult. I mean this is, as we can see that this is 9,500 mark. So how market is nervous here? I mean, because if you see the from the last 15 minutes, this premium is working in a particular zone and not able to succeed. I mean, I have to consider exit here because we can see that the market is taking support over here, and I'm expecting my target over here. But again and again, it's getting rejected from there. So look like it's I mean getting reverse here, and I mean this is it. And this is not fair. I have to refresh again and again. Now I don't know why this fire is doing nonsense today. You can see some, I mean, upward side, but again, this will be a difficult call for us to stay over risking profit. So it's okay sometime. I mean, see, this is the, I mean, so friends, I have taken exit over there because it was really tough to consider. I mean, over there, right? Will market go sideways? Will market go down? I mean, it was really tough for me. So I have exited my trade, and that's a brilliant profit. I mean, I have booked almost. I have booked almost. I mean, I have booked a brilliant profit here. And let's see if the market is break again this level, then again there will be a good trade. I mean, market can trap here also. I mean, this is not easy to hold profit here. I mean, so okay, would like to close this session. So thank you so much.